Welcome to the YouTube channel Just Information. I hope you all are fine. Today we will learn class 8 science chemistry chapter atomic structure part 7. Part 7, and in this part we will solve one more example, and after that we will arrange the electrons in nucleus and orbit. So first we will solve a question. The question says that an element is represented as this. X atomic number is 15 and mass number is 31. But we don't know the element, so we have represented it as X. So the first question they are asking is, how many number of protons, electrons and neutrons does it contain? So as we know, this 15 is the atomic number. An atomic number, proton and electrons are equal only. So 15 will be the proton. Answer of first. 15 will be the proton. Again 15 will be the electron. But neutron we don't know. Neutron is different. We know the formula of finding neutron, that is, we have to subtract z minus a minus z. So we have to subtract a and z. So as we know, a is equal to means we know a is equal to the mass number, and mass number is 31. So 31 minus z, we know that is atomic number, that is 15. Therefore 31 minus 15 is equal to 16. So 16 is the neutron. Now we have found electron is equal to 15, proton is equal to 15 and neutron is equal to 16. Now second question. Here the question number 2 says, find the total number of nucleons. We have to find the total number of nucleons. We know that nucleons are equal to protons plus neutron. Proton plus neutron. And here only we have to add proton and neutron. We know what is proton and we know what the value of neutron also. So it's very easy. Nucleons is equal to 15 plus neutron is 16. Therefore we have the value nucleons is equal to 15 plus 16, that is 31. Therefore nucleons is 31. I hope you have understood this question. Now third, what is the mass of total number of nucleons? Average mass of the nucleons is 1 AMU. So for finding the answer of this question, third, we should know the value of AMU. Value in AMU, that is 1.007. 1.007 AMU that we know the nucleons also, that is 31. So 31 into 1.007 AMU. The answer will be, or we know that there is given 1 AMU, so we can take here 1 AMU also for making the answer easy. We know that total mass of nucleons is equal to total number of nucleons into average mass of each nucleon. So 31 into 1 AMU is equal to, we get 31 AMU as the answer. Therefore, this is the answer. I hope you understand. Now the fourth question. What is the mass of total number of electrons? So we have to find the mass of total number of electrons. Total number of electrons is equal to total number of electrons into mass of each electron. So 15 into 9.1 into 10 raised to minus 28 gram, that is equal to, after simplifying this both, we will get 136.5 into 10 raised to minus 28 gram, and therefore this is the answer. I hope you have understood this. Now we will move towards our next topic, that is isotopes. Isotopes. We have seen that an atom of an element X can be represented as X, lower term, left side lower term is the atomic number and right side upper term is the mass number. Also, atomic number is the characteristics of an element. Every element has its own atomic number which no other element can have. Observe the following sequence, that is like this. Here we can observe that they are all hydrogen atoms. In the first one is named as protium, the second one is named as deuterium, and the third one is named as tritium. The number of electrons, protons and neutrons present in them are: protium are 1, means number of electrons in protium are 1, number of protons are 1, number of neutrons means A minus Z is 0. In deuterium, number of electrons is 1, number of protons is 1, and number of neutrons is 1. In tritium, number of electrons is 1, number of protons is 1, number of neutrons are A minus Z, that is 2. After that, you have observed that they have the same atomic number. Z is equal to 1 with different mass numbers. A is equal to 1, 2 and 3 respectively. Second, we have observed that they have the same electrons and protons with different neutrons. Such atoms of the same element are called isotopes. Atoms of the same element having the same atomic number Z but with different mass number are called isotopes or the atoms of an element which differ in the number of neutrons are called isotopes. So there are some physical and chemical properties of isotopes. Isotopes are atoms of the same element having the same atomic number but different mass numbers. Hence they have the same number of electrons and protons but a different number of neutrons. As the number of neutrons is different, they have different atomic weights. The physical properties of an element depend on the mass of an atom or the atomic weight of that element. The isotopes of an element have different atomic weights resulting in a difference in their physical properties like density, melting point, boiling point, etc. The chemical properties of an element depend on the number of electrons in the valence shell. The valence electrons are the same in isotopes, hence they have the same chemical properties. I hope you've understood today's video. For any queries in doubt, you can join the Telegram link given in the description of this video. This was the part 7. In next part 8, we will learn how to represent electrons in an orbit and containing neutron plus proton in the middle. So I hope you have understood today's video. Thank you for watching.